Welcome. Today we will talk about invoice disassembly. Let's search for it in the search bar here by writing invoice disassembly, and it will appear here. Click on it and it will be opened. Do you remember the assembly invoice and the offer you did? What if you want to change the price or reduce the quantity of this offer? Or to cancel the offer you did and make each price of each product individually. So we can do that by invoice disassembly page. As an invoice in Al-Wasta, to create a new one, click on new invoice. And now go to product field to choose the offer you did before. So I'll choose the coffee offer from here, and then let's add the products we added before, but I will add the quantity at the first to be disassembled. So I'll choose 3 and then click on insert product contents. Yes. Okay. After that, you can add the products by several ways. The first one is click here to add in your row, and then you can search for your product or from the search product field or from the barcode search list. So I'll choose the search product field, and then I'll search by the English name for coffee, and I'll choose the products I added before in the offer. Click on the sign plus, it will be added. After that, click on recalculate quantities to separate each product and make each price of it individually. After that, click on the check mark so the changes can be saved. Click on post and print to make this invoice uneditable. So now you cannot change anything in this invoice, and this invoice will appear with you. You can export it to anything you want by clicking on export to, or you can print it by clicking on print button. To open its list, you can click on the paper icon here or go to the header, click on search list. As any list in Al-Wasta, specify the date from here. Click on get server data to get all the data relevant to this main period. And you can group by column, add a column or remove it. You can search by anything you want. You can export it to an Excel sheet if you want by clicking on export button, or even preview it and export it to anything you want by clicking on print preview button. As you can see here, you can export it to a PDF file, HTML file, or anything. You can also print it by clicking on print button. That was all about invoice disassembly page. Thanks for watching.